Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. If you are a fan of CodePen, then you will be probably a fan of webmaker. You can find it. It's a Google Chrome extension called webmaker. You'll have to poke around for it a little bit. I'll put the link in the description of this video because there are many webmaker applications. But what does it look like? So I installed it. It's already added to my Chrome, and you'll see that it has much of the functionality, say, of CodePen. I'm zoomed in super tight here, so forgive if it's mangled. But you have your options to change your displays. You have notifications. You've got settings, which is limited. You can also add CSS and JavaScript libraries, much like you would in CodePen. Escape to close that. And the only thing it doesn't have, well, sorry, let me just finish with what it can do. You can save this as an HTML file, which is nice, much like CodePen. And you can export it straight to CodePen, which is what I've done right here. And this is a little JavaScript that searches for a word, in this case, my name, by the first letter, etc., blah, 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 and then console. Now, this is the only thing I found so far that webmaker doesn't have, is a console. There's no console option here, so getting console is pretty straightforward. In Chrome, you just right-click, inspect, and then there's your console with the output. That's the only thing I can find that's not included in webmaker that's part of CodePen. Webmaker works offline. It doesn't appear to have any kind of server facility, so it's not like Node. It doesn't have Node built in, but that would be nice, wouldn't it? Anyway, this is webmaker. You can find it as you can find it on the Chrome store as an extension, and I'll put the link to this in the description. It's not as cool as CodePen. CodePen is just a great resource for any front-end developers. There's so much cool stuff being shown and shared there. Webmaker works offline, though. CodePen does not, at least to the best of my knowledge. All right, go check out webmaker if you're interested in learning or playing with the latest CodePen clone. All right, thanks for watching, and happy computing.